a power of a product law, that would be this one right here. If we have xy with a to the cubed, xy cubed, we can separate the factors and then multiply by the exponent. So here in this particular case, we've got the parenthesis around both the x and the y. So the 3 is used with both of those terms. We're going to separate the terms. So we're going to separate our x and our y. And then we're going to take the exponent and multiply it. There's just 1 in here, so 3 times the understood 1 would be 3. So that's how we do a power of a products law. If the example was a little bit more complicated, here's xy to the 7th, and then I had a squared on that. This one right here. In this case, we're still going to separate our factors. So the x comes out and the y comes out. The y actually has, to the 7th power, it's touching just the y. That 7 is not touching this x. It's just touching the y. So that comes over here. And then we're going to multiply by the exponent. The exponent in this case was 2. Lastly, we have the power of a quotient law. The example, x divided by y, there's your quotient. It's a division symbol. And I put that one to the 5th. We can now separate our numerator and denominator. In this case, we're going to take our x out and the y out separately. We're going to separate those out, and the exponent gets put onto both of them. So it's separate the numerator and denominator, and then attach the exponent to each. Now, we're certainly going to go over this a lot more in more detail when I start actually teaching the exponents and in actual problems. But these are the rules. This is the behavior that exponents have, and it's really basic for your pre-algebra. But don't forget those tests as you get higher and higher into school, and if you're going to go on to get future degrees. Come back to these pages, how the numbers actually work, and the zero rules and the facts for ones, and all of those are seriously on those tests. Easy points.